Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the new Trezor Safe 7. The device is already available, but Trezor sent us some of the very first units before the launch, so we've been using it for a while and are ready to share our honest feedback. Safe 7 brings a set of upgrades that the community has been waiting for: a bigger display, Bluetooth, wireless charging, and a full metal body. Let's go through what's new and how it actually feels in real use. What is in the box? We're not doing a full unboxing today. We've already tested the device for some time, but here's what comes with the Safe 7. You get the hardware wallet itself, a USB-C cable, and the standard documentation. Safe 7 is the first Trezor made entirely from aluminum, and the difference is obvious right away. It's heavier, more solid, and feels like a proper premium device, not a plastic shell like the older models. The body is a single aluminum piece with a glass back panel, and the overall build has this clean, rigid feel that instantly sets it apart from previous Trezors. Features. Once you turn the Safe 7 on, the display upgrade becomes obvious. It's larger, brighter, and just more comfortable to use. Trezor lists it as 62% bigger than the one on the Safe 5, and you can really feel that difference. The new chip also makes the UI faster. Scrolling, switching screens, approving actions, it all feels smoother than on the Safe 5. And the haptic feedback is nicely tuned. Just a light, clean vibration when you tap something, not too strong, not distracting, but enough to make the interaction feel more accurate. Bluetooth, wireless charging, battery. One of the biggest practical upgrades on the Safe 7 is that it finally supports Bluetooth and wireless charging. Pairing with Trezor Suite Mobile is simple. Turn the device on, confirm the code, and you're connected, no cables needed. Wireless charging also works surprisingly well. We tested it with regular Qi chargers, and the new battery holds up much longer than we expected. Even during longer sessions like setting up accounts, sending test transactions, the Safe 7 stayed cool and stable. Security. On the security side, the Safe 7 follows the same Trezor philosophy. Everything stays open source, transparent, and verifiable. Inside, it uses a dual secure element setup, which adds an extra layer of protection for your keys. You still get all the features Trezor users rely on: long pins, passphrase support, different backup formats, and full control over your keys. In short, the security model hasn't changed. It's the same approach people trust, now running on stronger, more modern hardware. Set her up. Now let's walk through how the Safe 7 actually works in real use. We turn the device on and open the Trezor Suite Mobile app. The app detects the Safe 7 over Bluetooth and offers to connect. We tap Connect, and in a couple of seconds, the phone shows the device on the list. Both the wallet and the phone display the same pairing code. We confirm it on both sides to make sure we're pairing the right device. Next, the Safe 7 shows a one-time security code. We enter it in the app. This step prevents anyone from connecting remotely without physical access to the wallet. After that, the app asks which assets we want to enable. We pick a few, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Trezor Suite loads the accounts. Once it syncs, the dashboard appears. You get your balances, transaction history, and quick access to receive and send. Switching between assets is noticeably faster than on the Safe 5. The new chip definitely makes a difference. And that's basically it. From turning the device on to managing your assets, the whole flow takes under a minute, and the Bluetooth connection stays stable through the whole process. Comparison with previous models. If you put the Safe 7 next to the previous models, the differences are pretty clear. Compared to the Safe 5, the Safe 7 has a larger screen, a faster chip, Bluetooth, wireless charging, and a full aluminum body. Everything feels more solid and smoother to use. And if you want to change your older devices like the Model T, this is a huge jump. Better durability, better battery, a more modern interface, and a lot more comfort in everyday use. Price. In terms of price, Safe 7 sits at the top of the lineup. It's $249, which makes sense considering all the hardware upgrades. If you're looking for the most affordable option, the Safe 3 or Safe 5 might be enough. But if you want the most comfortable and future-proof Trezor, Safe 7 is the best one. So that's the Trezor Safe 7. If you're already using a hardware wallet, the upgrade is easy to feel. And if you're choosing your first one, Safe 7 is the most comfortable option in the Trezor lineup for now. If you would like to review the details or compare them with other models, we have included the link below.